Drill, driver. 24-position clutch and 2-speed gearbox. 0 to 450 rpm and 0 to 1750 rpm. To match your drilling and driving needs. Drill, driver. 1/2-inch heavy-duty keyless chuck for quick, easy bit changes. Hand vacuum. Dual filter system captures debris and provides maximum vacuum performance. Hand vacuum. Easy clean dust bowl for quick, no mess, debris disposal. Circular saw. Compact design for better handling and front pommel handle for two-handed operation. Circular saw. Left side blade for superb cutline visibility. Random orbit sander. Lock-on switch offers comfortable operation during extended use. Random orbit sander. Hook and loop accessory fastening system for added convenience. Work light. Produces 160 lumens of light output. Work light. Multiple hanging and mounting options. Batteries. Easily snaps into place and detaches with quick release. Easy access. Latches. Charger. Compatible with RYOBI 18V ONE Lithium-Ion batteries. Part of the RYOBI ONE system of over 125 cordless tools. 3-year manufacturer's warranty includes 1 P215 18V ONE drill, driver with screwdriver bit. 1 P7131 18V ONE hand vacuum with crevice tool, prefilter, and replaceable filter. 1 P505 18V ONE circular saw with blade and blade wrench. 1 P411 18V ONE 5-in. Random orbit sander, an assortment of sandpaper of varying grits. 1 P705 18V ONE work light. 2 P189 18V ONE 1.5 Ah compact batteries. 1 P118B 18V charger. 1 bag, and operator's manuals. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Heavy-duty combo. RYOBI introduces the 18V ONE cordless 5-tool combo kit with 2, 1, 5Ah compact lithium-ion batteries, charger, and bag. The ONE drill, driver features a 1/2-inch heavy-duty single-sleeve keyless chuck with a 24-position clutch to match your drilling and accommodate all your driving needs. Number 2. Better features, better work. Work with no exception with these two features that capture all your vacuuming interests. The ONE hand vacuum has a powerful motor and a dual filter system that captures material for removal and provides exceptional suction power. The ONE circular saw features a front pommel handle for two-handed operation and a left side blade for better cutline visibility. Number 3. Smooth and powerful. Work with no exception with these two features that capture all your drilling and driving interests. The ONE random orbit sander delivers 10,000 orbits per minute, OPM, for a smooth, swirl-free finish on your work surface. The ONE work light features an ergonomic design that also has the capability of mounting on a 2x4. Number 4. Lasting battery life. Finish your on-site job with ease with the 18V LED light that has a rotating head for adjustable light beam direction. The ONE 1.5 Ah batteries also feature lithium-ion cells for longer overall life. Increase productivity and work without hassle. Number 5. Lasting battery life. Finish your on-site job with ease with the 18V LED light that has a rotating head for adjustable light beam direction. The ONE 1.5 Ah batteries also feature lithium-ion cells for longer overall life. Increase productivity and work without hassle. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.